Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce at home full guide. Begin by melting butter over low heat, add minced garlic and cook just until fragrant, then pour in heavy cream and simmer gently to thicken while you whisk. Gradually add finely grated Parmesan off the heat to avoid clumping, taste and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg, then toss with hot pasta and serve immediately. Gather your ingredients and prep everything before you cook for a smooth process. Measure butter and cream, mince garlic, and grate Parmesan finely so it melts fast. Warm the cream but do not boil, and have a whisk and serving pasta ready. Prepping ensures you can finish quickly, keep the sauce silky, and deliver a restaurant-style Alfredo without stress or last-minute scrambling in the kitchen. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice from the link in the description. It smells great and keeps your ride fresh while you cook or commute. Check the description for that link and other deals, and thanks for watching and supporting independent content. Now let's get back to the video. Keep heat low and stir constantly while adding Parmesan to maintain a glossy, smooth sauce. If the mixture thickens too much, add a splash of reserved pasta water or a little milk to loosen it. Never let the sauce boil or the fats will separate. Finish off with a small knob of butter, taste for salt and pepper, and serve warm for best texture and flavor every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.